Want to boost your income in 2026 without spending a dime? It's totally possible. Here are 7 side hustles you can start with $0. First up, become a virtual assistant. If you're organized and good at administrative tasks, you can manage emails, schedules, and social media for busy entrepreneurs. Next, try freelance writing or editing. Platforms like Upwork have tons of gigs for writers of all skill levels. Number 3. Offer pet sitting or dog walking services in your neighborhood. All you need is a love for animals. Fourth, manage social media for small local businesses who don't have the time. Fifth, sell your skills on Fiverr, whether it's graphic design, voiceovers, or even creating custom meal plans. Sixth, create and sell digital products like templates or ebooks on platforms like Etsy. And finally, number 7, start a niche blog or YouTube channel and monetize it with ads and affiliate links. It's all about leveraging the skills you already have. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.